If you're looking for a functional SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Dodge Durango SXT in diamond black crystal pearl. With halogen headlamps, deep tinted sunscreen glass, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, bright side roof rails, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 32,000 miles on the odometer, Uconnect 4 with 7-inch display, rear backup camera, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, 3-zone temperature control, full-length floor console, selectable steering mode, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5536.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.